Watch the field behind the plow turn to straight dark rows. Feel the trickle in your clothes, blow the dust cakes from your nose. Hear the tractor's steady roar, no you can't stop now. With a quarter section more or less to go.
Okay guys, we're back working on the 88 again, and I've got most of it stripped down. We're working on getting the fender off right now, and then we're going to get the wheels off, and then we'll get it split in half, and then we should be done with it. So that's where we're at with this project. Get all these bolts out of the fender. There we go. Alright, now I'll bring the camera around here. This is all the parts that we took off of it. So, what an 88 looks like, whatever it is dismantled. Alright, so we're going to go get the tractor, and we're going to get the rear end split off, get it all picked up, get the wheels off of it, and then we'll take it apart. So. Ready? There. I'm doing something. Okay, we got the first wheel off. We're picking it up one side at a time. It seems to work better. One side seems to work better than both. So there's Ollie trying to get all the trying to get the wheel off here. Hit the rim, it ain't a big deal, out much junk. Hit the rim. I can't get to it without knocking the hydraulics off. Come around back. Okay, so this is going to conclude the 88 dismantle. I know it took a long time to get this tractor tore apart. It's a lot of work to take one apart like this, but as you can see, we got it tore down to just the front wheels, the pedestal, the frame, the rear end there, and PTO is still in it, but it is all basically out. So the guy that I was going to sell the rear end to, he actually saw the Will It Start video on this tractor before we tore it apart. And he was going to buy it, but he ended up finding a different one, and that's the one he's going to take. It's closer to home. That guy's actually delivered for him. And he just don't need it no more. So if anybody needs it, go ahead and let me know. I will sell it. I think that's going to wrap us up. I don't know how long this video ended up being. I have not even actually watched any of the film yet. But that will wrap us up. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you need any of these parts that you see laying here, let me know. Of course, the sheet metal, the fuel tank, the radiator, I'm using those. But the rest of it is up for grabs. And I'm using the belt pull unit also. So if you need the wheels over there, I got one good wheel. The centers are good. So go ahead and leave a comment or get a hold of me through my website, which is www.wyattstractorsales.com. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. So thanks for watching, and God bless you. We'll catch you in the next one.